Okay, so let's go ahead and do the third installation, which is about we need to install the reporting services for creating the reports. And so I have downloaded reporting services exe for installation. So let's go ahead and double click there. Again, it might take a while to load the installation, and it will look very similar to the SQL Server installation that we did earlier in step one. So here I can go and click on install reporting services, and make sure you select the developer edition here. By default the evaluation edition, but make sure you select the developer edition and click next, accept license, and make sure this is already there, install reporting services only. So just click next at this point, and what it will do is it will create the reporting services database instance and everything else. So for now we'll just click next, click install, allow changes, just click yes. Again, it may take 15 minutes or may take 30 minutes. This installation may also be slower than usual on my machine. All right, so um, installation is complete. Restart the computer and run report server configuration manager to configure your report server. Um, so at this point, I'll go and close out so that we have installed it, and whenever you reboot the next time, and I'll show you how you can configure the report server. But for most of our development purpose, you wouldn't have to configure anything other than the local development environment. So I'll show you that in a separate tutorial or separate video later on. So for now, let's just click on close. And at this point, we have done the installation that we need.